This video is about truss. So this is a piece of truss next to me here. Sometimes you see it being used for decorative use. In fact, if you're not into rigging, you'll probably recognize it as a thing you see sometimes on stands to make stands look cool. But for us, it's very much a practical piece of equipment. What it does, it's a structural member, and we can hang it from the air or hang things underneath it from a couple of points, and then we've got a long beam from which we can hang our equipment. In fact, behind me you can see trusses where there's a series of video screens hung from the truss, and lighting and audio, and all of that is hung off one long piece of truss, which in some cases here is only lifted by 3 motors. So by putting a piece of truss in, off motor hoists, which are attached to rigging points, we then have a long span where we can attach all our equipment to go overhead for an exhibition stand or a awards show or concert.